Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Docs tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to curve a text in Google Docs and how you can make an effect that has curved text. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to go here to insert, and then we can go and click drawing, click new. And then here, as you can see, we'll have this text box right here. So we can put the text box right here and just type in, for example, this is our curved text, right? So if we do it like here, what we can do right now is we can just go here, and then with the left click, we can curve it like that, right? So this is currently the only way how you can do this in Google Docs, right? So you can't actually curve it the way that you would do it in Photoshop. So what I recommend is if you want to get a curved text, you can do it this way, right? For example, and then save and close, and that will be this, right? But if you want to do it curved, what you can do is just visit Canva, right? And in Canva, you can actually log in and sign up, and then you can do the curved text right in Canva, and then you can just export it and put it right here. Just paste it right here or drag and drop it right here, and you will have the curved text. Now, other than that, this is pretty much the only way how you can do curved text in Google Docs. So if you have any questions around this, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.